Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and right now I'm very confused with what Jasmine is really trying to do. Sorry, not Jasmine, Luna Classic. And the patterns here are still sideways. The consolidation is there, a bullish divergence is there as well. Honestly, I may not be that negative, to be honest with you, because it doesn't have negativity, even though the market looks very fishy right now. And at any time Bitcoin is looking to drop, but when I look at Luna Classic, it really doesn't blend in with what the whole crypto is doing. It's actually is on its own pattern right now. I don't really understand. It's not really following Bitcoin at all. So you still have your resistance that you're failing to break, and that's one thing. Another thing is probably some support lines here. Looks almost like this, I guess, now. And yes, we still have a squeeze happening. So there's a little bit of a range trap from the last videos that I've made, and it happens most of the time. So I'm really going to consider the wicks right now over here, and this wick right there, that wick right over here. And yeah, very, very soon you're going to get a pop to the downside. Now, it really depends on how Bitcoin also behaves. And let's just say Luna Classic ends up breaking above here. I would actually expect it to at least take some stop losses near 13,000, 14,000, and eventually even up to 15,000. And it makes a lot of sense because you have been down from a pump of 27,000 all the way down. You flashed all the way down to probably 9,000, and that's really a big drop. We're talking about 60-70% drop. So if you may have like a 10-15% reaction back up before maybe not going down again, that will also be very, very good. The RSI is still climbing. It actually does show that people are buying, but I'm not confident enough due to Bitcoin again. So be very careful out there, and that's just the whole thing I have to tell you. So time until 19th of January, 2 more days, and we're going to see something happening for Luna Classic. So keep an eye on which direction you get the break, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.